Hey, wait. Let me ask you a quick question. Which one is the correct one? I'm in the hospital or I'm at the hospital? Let's find out. Both of these prepositions we are using to talk about time and place. Now here today we are going to talk about a specific place which is hospital. Let's see what's the difference between these two sentences. First, let's see what I'm in the hospital. I'm in the hospital you can use when you have been admitted as a patient, which means you are the patient. You can say, I'm in the hospital. Next, I'm at the hospital. If you are a visitor, you can use I'm at the hospital. Now let's see both of these sentences together. Now you are going to see your friend in the hospital. Now you are taking a call to your mom or someone to say that I'm at the hospital. In the hospital means you are the patient. At the hospital means you are the visitor. So that's the difference. Follow me for more. Bye.